Hey guys, so this is the native mic on Logitech Broadcaster. I've actually used it with a Olympus ME51S uh, condenser microphone, and the quality is actually worse when using an external mic. It really is dependent upon the quality of the actual mic. This is just a regular cheapo $30 plug-in that you can use. It's good for voice when you are doing like interviews or whatever. But as far as just regular recording, I would say the Logitech mic is actually a lot better for recording. Also, the other thing that I wanted to mention about it was that when setting up the Logitech, this is the actual Olympus plug here. So, see if I can turn on the lamp and brighten that up here. See if the autofocus will work here. Come on, come on. Testing it out here. It's trying. It's definitely trying to autofocus it out. As you can see, it doesn't do very good with close-up small words here. I have another piece of paper here. So it's like a pamphlet here for a Android TV, which I'll be doing a review of in a few. But yeah, this is what words look like on it. Not very good. So if you're gonna do like a screen capture of documents, or you're gonna show papers or any kind of labels up close, yeah, it's not gonna work. What else can I say about this camera? There's one actual trick. Also, if you plug in an external mic onto the camera, it will always default to that one mic, to the external mic for audio, even if it's unplugged. I guess that's just a firmware issue with the actual device. But to be able to get the native mic to work again, you actually have to reboot the entire device. So just keep that in mind, guys, and stay free, stay hacking.